Hey everyone and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how to update iOS on your iPhone or iPad. But before you start, make sure that you have backed up your iOS device and you must be connected to Wi-Fi. So to get started, go to settings. In general, tap the second option, which is software update, and in there, if you want your device to automatically update in future, go to automatic updates and turn it on. This way, whenever a new update comes out, your device will automatically update it for you. To begin updating, go to download and install and type in your passcode. In my device, it shows about 1 hour remaining. It may vary in different devices. After the time is complete, it will ask you two options, which are install now and later. You can click on either one of those. If you click on install now, it will install the same time, but if you click later, you can set the time when you want to update. And by doing that much, you can update your iOS to the latest version. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.